When you first launch Trimble Business Center, it'll look something similar to this. Now, I've already opened my version of Business Center and I've opened a couple of projects. You initially won't see any projects because being your first time, you haven't started any. The main start page is where you'll get started. There's some tools up above that we'll talk about in the following video, as well as some other information that we'll cover in a deeper dive in the following video. In this particular video, we want to point your attention to the login button here on the start page, which is going to have you log into Trimble using your Trimble ID. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to open up a window where I can put in my Trimble ID credentials, my email address, and my password. If you don't have a Trimble ID, you can go ahead and create one by clicking on this button down here. Now, this step is optional, but definitely recommended because it will allow you to take advantage of some additional features within Business Center. And then once I put in my email address, my password, I can click on this Stay Signed In, and that will keep me logged in the next time I run Trimble Business Center. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Sign In. And you'll see that it now has me logged in to my Trimble account.